Hey guys, wanna know how to remove your background from your image by using BeFunky? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and simply type in BeFunky. This will direct you to its official website. Now make sure you are logged in as well. On the dashboard, you can see Photo Editor. Click on it. Now in order to import any images, so simply click on Open and you can select one of these options. Once you've imported your images, on the left side, Essentials should pop up. If it doesn't, just simply go to Edit right here and go under Essentials. But we don't need Essentials for now, so let's just close this dialog. What we need is Remove and Replace. Now under Remove and Replace, on the first option you can see Background Remover. Click on it. And just in a few moments, your background should be removed in just a single click. And there you have it. It's as easy as that. You can also adjust the selection. You can see right here the car is selected and you can adjust it accordingly. And you can also change the background to color or anything that you like. Use some drop shadows to make it a little cooler. And then just simply click apply once you're done. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.